Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find which AI tool is better for writing between Claude AI and ChatGPT in 2025. If you're looking for the best AI writing tool in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Since Claude has a relatively focused set of features, its interface is especially minimalist. A prompt box, drop-downs to select your AI model and writing style, and the option to attach files and images. ChatGPT's experience isn't much different, though with its larger selection of features, there's a bit more to navigate through. For example, drag a photo into ChatGPT, and you'll get an impressively reasoned description of what's in the image. Here's an example of how user-friendly this can be. After asking Claude about the risk of earthquakes on the west coast of the US and Mexico, it created its own risk score for a handful of cities based on historical data, geological factors, and infrastructure. Both apps now let you organize your work into projects, letting you keep chats, files, and instructions in a single place. Unlike math or coding, in which your output is either right or wrong, judging creative work is subjective. Even ChatGPT's more powerful o1 model still overuses certain phrases like, "in today's ever-changing landscape," and "let's dive in" that have become dead giveaways of AI-generated content. ChatGPT also tends to aggressively use bullet point formatting unless you instruct it not to. Claude, on the other hand, sounds more human right out of the box. Claude Styles feature also makes it easier to jump between different custom writing styles. If you're non-technical, a simple way to test this is to start talking to Claude normally via text prompting and ask it to turn the data it shares with you into an interactive React component. On ChatGPT, you can create your own custom GPT for others to interact with, tweaking settings behind the scenes to train it to generate responses in a certain way. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.